You see, sometimes you try to generate consistent characters, but then you notice you're not getting the results you hoped for. So, what's going wrong? In this video, we'll dive deep into identifying the problem, and I'm going to show you one particular AI tool that will solve it. Let's jump right into the first step. You can generate your own consistent character using this method I'm about to reveal. First, you'll need to get the initial prompt to generate the character. Here's my initial prompt for the character. It's crucial to ensure the description includes all the important details: clothing, hair color, eye color, skin tone, facial features, and the attire they're wearing. In the section down here, I've got about 3 solid scenes. Now, let's waste no time. We need to generate an image of this character based on this detailed description. To create our character, we're going to use the first tool I'm showing you, Leonardo AI. Go ahead and click the Get Started button. This is the Community tab where you'll see all sorts of amazing creations and images generated by others. The cool thing about this AI tool, it's constantly improving and refining its models so you always get top-notch images. For example, check this image out. When I click on it, you'll notice the model. Now, let's head to image generation and create our own character's image. I'll go to my initial prompt, copy the character description, and paste it into the Leonardo AI tool. Now, let's choose the model. I'm going for this one. Next, head to the prompt enhancement section and turn it off, because I don't want the AI to tweak my prompt. The aspect ratio should be 16:9 or whatever ratio you prefer. And don't forget to select the style. For this example, I'll go with 3D render. Hit generate. Here's the first image generated using the 3D render style, and here's the second one. Now let's discuss the 3 different styles. You can see that we're aiming for a consistent character, but it's turning out to be a bit different. Not a huge issue, but it's noticeable. The second image has a different facial structure, which is a pretty common problem when generating consistent characters. Here's how we fix it. Go to the section here and copy the seed. You'll notice that the seed has been copied. Now head over to the Use Fixed Seed section and turn it on. Then paste the seed. This seed is from the image we just generated, so let's generate another one using the seed. But here's the catch. Notice how the first image I generated doesn't match the second and third images? That's the inconsistency we're trying to fix when generating consistent characters with AI tools. And guess what? In this video, I'm going to show you another AI tool that could get us more consistent results. Let's switch over to Zine AI. I have a link in the description down below. Now, Zine AI gives you 50 free credits and comes packed with cool features like image-to-image, text-to-image, consistent character generation, image-to-video, face swap, and more. You can even do interior design, product design, print-on-demand, photo restoration. The list goes on. It's an all-in-one powerhouse for bringing your AI images to life. In this video, though, we're focusing on creating a consistent character. So let's click on Consistent Character. Next, head to the character sheet. You can upload a character if you already have one, but for this example, I'm going to click on the character sheet and paste my AI character's prompt. I'll grab my prompt from earlier and paste it right in. Now choose your aspect ratio. Now the fun part. Here you can pick from a ton of different styles like cinematic, anime, punk, realistic, and more. For this video, I'll stick with the 3D render or cozy style. Click generate. All right, check it out. Here's the generated image. Looks pretty good, right? But this one, it performs even better. You can see that this character is more consistent and ready for different poses. Perfect for AI video generation. Just look at the different angles. Want to tweak the image? You can. Edit or cut any part you want, and then use it for your video creation. Next, head to the 3 dots in the top right and click Duplicate. Duplicate again, and now we've got 3 layers. Click on the first layer, hit the crop button, and crop the image. Once you're done, click Done. Repeat the same for the second and third images. Now you've got 3 images with different camera angles. Once everything's done, download the images and save them to your computer. Need to upscale them? You can do that and then download the final version. If you're using the free version, keep in mind there will be a watermark, and you may need to subscribe to upscale. So go ahead and download all 3 images using the method I just showed you. An in-depth tutorial on how to create consistent characters in a single scene using this tool, or want to explore more? Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And make sure to check out how to create multiple consistent characters with Halo AI Minimax.